Hi, I'm Robbie Meyer, the Architect's Concierge for Golden State Lumber, and last month I showed you an interesting entangled polymer furring material from Keen Building Products designed to provide a very simple rain screen installation. And since I've really started to dig into this rain screen concept, and man, have I found some great new products to share with you today. But first, why use a rain screen system in the first place? There's three primary reasons I've come up with: ventilation, installation, and insulation. First, ventilation. Now, it's the siding's job to keep the water outside the wall, right? Yes, but does it always and forever? Probably not. Water's a relentless and very sneaky villain. It can leak behind sidings countless ways. That's why an entire product category was invented in water-resistant barriers. So when water does get behind the siding, it's kind of critical that it has a way to get out, right? Why? Well, primarily because of mold. There's the very first counterattack of nature to begin breaking down the plague of the earth that is humanity. Now, mold needs two things to survive: water and food. The food's already there, the wood that the wall's made up of. All it needs is moisture, and nature starts doing work. Mold's the first attack, throw in some dry rot, and now the highway's paved for Mother Nature's minuscule demolition specialists, termites. Mold also makes people sick, but there's not enough time here for me to toss in the human health side of the equation. So let's just stop right there and say, mold's bad, okay? How do we fight mold? Get rid of the water. How do we get rid of the water? With ventilation. Reason number two, installation. Now, generally, rain screen systems complement more expensive siding materials intended to meet a very specific design and durability aesthetic, like this one from Ironwoods. Or like this product from Climate Shield, very similar, uses an extruded aluminum standoff to hold the specialty milled material, which we can get in Western red cedar like this here, or like exotics like Ipe or Machiche. Basically, it holds it 3/4 of an inch away from the shear wall, providing that drainage chamber and that 3/4 of an inch airspace for ventilation and for insulation. So let's show you some other stuff. Other systems like this pack system used with this custom milled thermery product snap right on, providing a really simple installation. And what's the number one nemesis of siding installation? Corners. Most manufacturers of rain screen systems provide solutions for inside and outside corners, some extruded aluminum, others wood capped, but often designers want a sleek, mitered corner that turns the corner in a seamless fashion, creating a difficult installation challenge on site. Wood, naturally, wants to expand and contract with ambient moisture. This cycle compromises joints. Joints created on site by installers, on ladders, in the weather, who may or may not be having a great day, who may or may not even have the right glue. Wouldn't it be amazing if somebody offered the fabrication of those corners in a controlled workshop environment, utilizing specialty production equipment and techniques operated by a trained technician that's developed the absolute best methods for ensuring those corners are not only flawless to begin with, but also provide the durability we'd expect to accompany an exterior cladding specifically specified to provide beauty indefinitely? But who could possibly provide that to your projects? Who possibly could be such a reliable resource? Reason number three, thermal envelope performance. The three-word buzz term for the new 2019 Title 24 amendment. Well, there's a lot of buzz going on, as is typical with every amendment, but this one has thermal performance shining in there. And rain screens, while not yet fully realized as providing value here, is definitely a contributor. The separation of the siding from the wall creates an insulative space. The same drainage space that we're getting the water out with is separating the siding from the wall and giving us some insulation value there. Some systems can even accommodate exterior sheet insulation, and the standoffs holding the siding off of the wall or providing a thermal break, isolating the siding from the rest of the wall, enhancing the insulative value of that wall. I just have to find somebody that can help me to calculate the value of it. If you know somebody that does that kind of work, please leave a comment down below, as this year's upcoming 10 Best New Products presentation is going to focus on products to enhance thermal performance, and it would be nice to have numbers to go along with my talk. I'll throw in a couple other neat bits of hardware and a window or two, as I always do, so be sure to get your firm on the schedule by clicking the blue button in the newsletter where you found this video. Also, I'd like to say happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and whatever celebration that you do, because we're in the holiday season and I should be wearing a hat, but I'm not today. So anyway, I'm Robbie Meyer, the Architect's Concierge from Golden State Lumber. Please like, share, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.